Hey everybody, here's your bag that we're going to be using materials from. So we're going to start with these two powders. One has an S and one has a P. You're going to also look for a piece of yellow paper. There's a straw in there and a wrapper. If you dig around, there's a Q-tip, and there is a jug of vinegar or a small container of vinegar in there. That's what you're going to need from the bag. And then from home, you'll need a spoon. You'll need 2 cups of water, about half filled with water. They can be glass, paper, or plastic. And then you're going to also need 2 empty cups, and they can also be glass, paper, or plastic. We're going to do our reactions in there. And then for this, I have a big tub here, but you just want to either have a tub like this or a large Tupperware in case you get a little spill. Or you could do this in a sink. So just be prepared to be near a sink that's empty so you can put the reactions in the sink, and then you'll have a chance to dump everything down the sink when you're done. Okay, so that's the setup you'll need for class tomorrow. Get ready and get excited. Should be fun.